Yeah, they say you're playing football. Go long, go long. That's all to it. Go long, go long. Well, let me take my mask off so y'all can recognize me. Oh, hey, dude. Oh, what's up, y'all? I'm back here. All right, and here's the kids here. Okay. And let's go over here. All right. Who's these? Hello. Uh-oh. Oh, she almost ran into me. All right, so anyway, oh man, wait a minute. Oh, there we go. All right, so here we go. Oh, I'm not gonna put you on, man. Look at Santana in his brand new Hummer. All right, I ain't gonna put you on, sir. All right, so I'm gonna get on this side so I don't put you on. All right, so oh, look who's here. Okay. We about to go say, oh, you want to say something?
Hello, internet.
All right. All right, bubblegum face. All right. Oh, look who's here. Let's go say it to Jude, y'all. Hey, Jude. Hey, how you doing? You on the show? I guess y'all won't be on the show. I know the family's watching, okay? And the new Hummer. Oh, look at Naomi right here, okay? All right, so better said than done. Better said than done. All right. I guess I should have been on YouTube Live, you know, but I'm gonna do YouTube Live when I can, okay? The YouTube Live before the Facebook Live before the whatever, okay? Yeah, we have everybody here, okay? Yep. All right. All right. Kids playing. Hey, yo, you on TV? All right. I remember him when it was. Oh my God! Look who's live. Erica's live. Well, all right. I'll be right back after these messages. I'm gonna go to YouTube Live, but let's see what this girl's up to.